In December 2019, the Chinese authority notified the world that a virus was spreading through their communities. In the following month, it spread through the other country, cases doubling within days. The virus is called COVID-19 or simply coronavirus. And that's why the whole world got locked down, means no travels, no school, no colleges, nothing. And sanitizer became our best friend beside mask. And we saw a big problem there. People have started to share their hand sanitizer, which is not good in terms of sanity. So we decided to make a hand-free automatic hand sanitizer disposal. The materials we used to build the circuit. IR sensor is an active infrared sensor, both emit and detect infrared radiation. When an object comes close to the sensor, the infrared light from the LED reflects off of the object and is detected by the receiver. Active IR sensor act as proximity sensors and they are commonly used in obstacle detection system. When you bring your hand near the IR sensor sends a signal to the 5-volt relay module, which turns on the water pump. Then sanitizer come out from the water pump's output outlet. M2M wire is the link between IR sensor, DC motor, circuit board, etc. This power transistor is used in medium power, linear and switching applications. A resistor, which is a passive to terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. A PVC pipe which sanitizer could come through. A power cable which provides a low resistance path for the current to flow through. And this is how it works.
At first, the positive wire from USB cable is connected to TIP32C IC, emitted point, and VCC point of proximity sensor. The negative point of USB cable is connected to DC pump and ground point for proximity sensor. Then a wire from TIP32C IC collector point attached to DC pump and TIP32C IC base point is proximity sensor out point connected and 1K resistor is added in the middle proximity sensor output point and TIP32C IC base point.